Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable WordPress theme logo customization for design consistency, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable WordPress theme logo customization for design consistency, start by logging into your navigate to the appearance section in the left sidebar. Click on themes to view your active theme. Next, select the customize option under the appearance menu. In the customizer, find the site identity section. Look for the logo option within this section. To disable the logo customization, go to the WordPress themes functions.php file. You can find this file by navigating to Appearance and then Theme Editor. Be cautious as you access the theme editor, as changes here can affect your site. Once in the theme editor, locate the functions.php file on the right side of the screen. Add the following code snippet to the bottom of the functions.php file. This code will remove the logo customization option, PHP function disable _logo customization, $WP customize, $WP customize remove section, header logo, add action. Once you confirm the code is correct, click on the Update File button to save your changes. Now, go back to the customizer and refresh the page. You should see that the logo customization option has been removed. Lastly, test your website to ensure that the design remains consistent without logo changes. Your WordPress theme is now set to maintain a unified visual identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.